Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So after a long time without posting any video, because I was very busy, there was an election in our country followed by fasting Ramadan, month of Ramadan. So that's why I was not being able to post any video. I was only trying to manage and take trades in my live account. So now I'm less busy, everything has gone, so everything is cleared. So today I'm going to start. So I will be showing you now the step by step, the way that you will trade. So today I'm going to take some live trades, so based on my strategy. So let's see, let's try to get good opportunity. Here is not nice, here as well. So here this is zone, but late entry, but no problem. I'm expecting strong candle. As you can see here, you see strong candle, so I'm expecting market to create strong candle as well here. So I place my trade. You see this is very bad entry point, but I know definitely market is going up, it's creating strong candle, because you can see strong bias here, so you should expect strong bias as well. So let's see. I know it must give me winning trade, even though market is doing some panic here, but I know it must close above my entry point. We have 11 seconds, we have 4 seconds. You see, I know it's closing above my entry point because of, you see, bias here strong, so you should expect at least you should expect at least 70% of this type of candle here. So that's why you see I place my trade with bad entry point, because of I don't know if this network or from IQ option. So let's change another pair and see. So here this no opportunity here, so I'm trying to get best and the good possible opportunities, and you see here I missed this one. This is nice in the direction of major trend. Maybe my network is bad, that's why. So you see here, so here I'm not sure, because this is bad market. So there is no good opportunity, so let's wait for here. So let's see the reaction of this candle. Yes, here is good opportunity here. Yes, here is good opportunity. What's happened? So this is good opportunity. Market is going down here definitely. So that's why I place my trade anyhow. But market is doing some panic, but I know market is going down. So market must create red candle here. So that's why I place my trade immediately, because I'm in the direction of major trend here. You see, major trend is very strong trend. So in this situation, you can blindly place your trade here, because market must reverse here after breakout of this zone. So market must reverse. So that's why I place my trade. We have 10 seconds. You see market is reversing. So that's why I place my trade anyhow. I know definitely this candle must be red candle, because I'm going with major trend. Anytime in this situation, you have good opportunity. This is almost 90% chance here. So if you can be able to get this type of chance, you have 90% chance. So you don't hesitate, just place your trade. Because I'm trading only zone, that's why I am not deciding to place any continuation trade. So you know, if you are trading zone, you have to be patient, you have to be searching. You see another zone here. This is another zone, but I was not. This is another zone, but no problem. Let's change. No, here no any opportunity. Maybe here it's not nice. So we have to be patient to get good chance. So here major trend is down. So in this situation here, you see major trend is down. So here is our zone. So but we have to wait for market to break the zone if we want to get good opportunity. So don't place your trade immediately after touching. You have to wait. So let's wait. So here you see market is reversing. Let's just change another one. So all the market are bad, are not good. So you know, sometimes you can get quick chance, sometimes you have to be patient. So that's the situation of the market. especially if you are trading zone. Let's see these ones. No. Yes, a plus call option here. I place my trade call option here because of this zone. You see this zone. So and major trend is up little bit. So I'm expecting market to go higher here. I know definitely market must go higher here, because this is very nice area. You see market is going higher. You see, so you see I took total 3 trades based on engulfing zone strategy, and you see I exercise patience. You see this how long now? Almost 11 minutes. I took total 3 trades, all are winning trades based on my favorite strategy. So this strategy is very simple and is very profitable. So you see here, this is another chance here. So in this area, so now I just took total 3 trades, all are winning trades based on engulfing zone strategy. So if you like this video, please like it, share, comment. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, please drop it in the comment section. So I'll say thank you. Bye bye.